You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Nissan Ariya. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.